Hello everyone. In this video, we will know about central public sector enterprises. Central public sector enterprises are the companies in India that are directly controlled by central government or by other central enterprises with a shareholding of at least 51%. They are significantly important for Indian economy and were established to promote industrialization and the development of basic and capital good industries. These companies are also known as public sector undertakings. Examples of public sector undertakings are Bharat Electricals Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals, Bharat Petroleum, National Thermal Power Corporation, Coal India Limited, Gas Authority of India Limited. Government categorizes these central public sector enterprises in three types: Maharatna, Navratna, Mini Ratna. There are 14 Maharatna companies. Some of them are Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Coal India Limited. There are 24 Navratna companies. Examples of Navratna companies: Container Corporation of India Limited, Engineers India Limited. There are 62 Mini Ratnas companies. Out of 62, there are 51 Mini Ratna 1 company and there are 11 Mini Ratna 2 companies. Now we will discuss what are the criteria or parameters fulfilled by any company to become Maharatna, Navratna and Mini Ratna company. First one, Maharatna. To become महारत्ना लास्ट 3 साल का एवरेज एनुअल नेट प्रॉफिट 2500 करोड़ से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, या तो लास्ट 3 साल का एवरेज एनुअल नेटवर्थ 10,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, या तो लास्ट 3 साल का एवरेज एनुअल टर्नओवर 20,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, और यह एक नवरत्ना कंपनी भी होना चाहिए. नवरत्ना, a score of 60 out of 100 based on 6 parameters which include net profit, net worth, total manpower cost, total cost of production, cost of services, profit before depreciation, interest and taxes, capital employed, etc. And a company must first be a Mini Ratna and have 4 independent directors on its board before it can be a Navratna. Third one, Mini Ratna category 1. मिनी रत्न कैटेगरी 1 होने के लिए लास्ट 3 साल से लगातार कंपनी प्रॉफिट में होनी चाहिए, या तो कंपनी का लास्ट 3 साल में किसी एक साल नेट प्रॉफिट 30 करोड़ से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. फोर्थ वन, मिनी रत्न कैटेगरी 2. मिनी रत्न कैटेगरी 2 होने में इसकी जो नेटवर्थ होनी चाहिए वो पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए और लगातार 3 साल से कंपनी प्रॉफिट में होनी चाहिए. थैंक यू.